So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will going to show you a mini video on Crompton Flux Air. So this is a capacitor type exhaust fan and this is not a shaded pole exhaust fan that you are watching here. So this is a 9-inch exhaust fan and metal body. So why I did purchase Flux Air? Because this is for my friend. That's why. He don't have the budget to go for Trans Air or other expensive exhaust fan. That's why I go for the Flux Air, because this is a capacitor type motor. So let's have an unboxing, quick unboxing. So as you are watching, I have opened the box. So the fan inside is looking quite good, awesome. So let's bring out the fan. So guys, as you are watching, the fan is pretty decent for the application. This fan is really as you can say, a light duty fan. So as you can see, this is the warranty card. So guys, this is the label. As you can see, 31 watts, 1380 rpm. This is the less electricity consuming exhaust fan I have ever seen. 31 watts, 1380 rpm. The drift air is something 40 and trans air is 45. The manufacturing of the fan happened in Faridabad, HR. So here is the fan. As you can see, this is a fully metal built quality fan. So the fan is really nice. As you can see, it's looking quite good. So this is the motor and this is a bush motor. The blades are also metal, as you can hear, and this is a completely metallic fan. One thing to say you, this fan bush is not having any oil ports like the HDX do, but that's not an issue. But one thing, the capacitor cover is this one and it is held by 2 screws. Let's just see the capacitor what's given. The capacitor is 1 microfarad capacitor. Let me have a zoom here to show it to you. As you can see, 1 M, that is 1 microfarad tip-con capacitor. This is the Flux Air. So I have connected the Flux Air in the plug, and this fan is not heavyweight like the Trans Air. So let me start the product. So as you can see, the product is giving a decent amount of airflow, not very high airflow, not very low airflow, but medium quality amount of airflow. That's due to the stupid bird screen that is present in this fan, because this fan actually don't deserve the bird screen that is present, because this is not a high thrust fan. So whatever, the bird screen is not required for the purpose, because this will be used in a toilet, that's why. So this is the fan. Let me show you from the back side. So as you are watching, so let's stop the fan. So the fan is making some noises due to first time running, but that's not an issue. So yes, this fan is obviously performs somewhat similar to that of drift air, but the real performance of the fan is worse than drift air. That's the reality. So if you want to get a fan, then I will say you go for, obviously if you have an extra light duty application, then go for it. Otherwise I will suggest you go for the drift air, but the drift air is non-capacitor motor. That's the real problem. It heats up rapidly, but I will suggest a Trans Air. Obviously this fan is not bad. This is a really robust quality fan, and if you need for a very light duty application, then there is no issues. So I hope you have enjoyed this short video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, then press the like button. Don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys for watching.